In this video, we will tap rhythm in simple meter. Let's begin first by reviewing the notes. Whole note, 4 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4. When you draw a stem to a whole note, it becomes a half note, 2 beats. 1, 2. Third row, quarter note, 1 beat. Next quarter note with a flag becomes an eighth note. An eighth note is half beat. Often you will see 2 eighth notes together, and more likely you'll see 2 eighth notes beam together. Beam is this horizontal line joining the 2 notes on top. We're ready to tap our first example. Time signature consists of 2 numbers. In simple meter, 4 is the bottom number, which means quarter note gets 1 beat. The top number, in this case 3, means 3 beats in every measure. I will give you 3 beats of count in. Would you tap with me? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. A reminder that this is a quarter rest. A rest means silent. So silent for 1 beat. Let's try one more time. 1, 2, 3. 1, rest. 3, 1, 2, 3. Moving on, here you see set of eighth notes. Remember, 2 eighth note beam together equal 1 beat. Ready? 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and once more. 1 and 2 and 3 and. In this new example here, you see this curved line joining the 2 notes together. This is a tie. In the case of a tie, you don't sing nor play the second note in the tie. Rather, you hold through the tie. Let me demonstrate. 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 2, 3, 4. One more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, tie, 2, 3, 4. Here we have a dotted quarter note. A quarter note is 1 beat. Whenever you add a dot to a note, it adds half of the original value. So a dotted quarter note is worth 1.5 beat. An eighth note is half beat, a quarter note is 1 beat. Together, 3 beats per measure. Same thing, we are subdividing each beat into 2 equal parts. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and one more time. 1 and 2 and 3 and. And last example here. Eighth rest. An eighth rest is worth half beat. So half beat for eighth rest, half beat for eighth note, 1 beat quarter note, another beat for quarter note. I'm going to count in 3 beats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 1 and 2 and 3 and rest and 2 and 3 and again 1 and 2 and 3 and. And that concludes this video.